Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile badge on the Splitgate PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitgate PC game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, in order to customize your profile badge, you can either click on your username at the top left corner or the locker option at the top. Either way, this will take you into the locker page. Now from here, click on your username, which will then take you into the player card page. Now within this, you will see the badge section at the left side. Just click on it, and now this will show you various different badges that you can equip to your profile. After selecting a badge, just click on it at the right side, and you will now see a preview of how it will look on your profile. You can try all of the different ones that are available and choose the one that you like the most. Once you find your desired badge and equip it, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. And you can come back to this menu at any point of time in order to once again change it if you wish. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile badge on the Splitgate PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.